Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita Delighted. Friends, as usual, today also in this video I gonna review a product. So guys, the product is from Garnier Skincare Pure Active 3-in-1 Charcoal. This you can use as wash, scrub and mask. Moving forward, I'm gonna review this product. If you guys interested in this video, you can proceed further, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe me. Then without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, basically this product is made in Germany and this is of 150 ml, and this is how it looks. So guys, coming to the main ingredients, it is made up of charcoal and salicylic acid. Charcoal acts as an ultra absorption properties, and also it acts as a dirt removal magnet. And guys, this product is dermatologically tested, and also it is scientifically proven to reduce the spots within 1 week. Guys, as I said you before, you can use this as wash, scrub and mask. Wash, you can use it on daily basis, morning or evening, as normal how you put your face wash, similar to that you can apply on your face and rinse it off later. So guys, the next step is scrub. For scrub, just apply on your face and gently massage to exfoliate, especially in the blackheads area. Then you can just rinse it off using the water. Then the third is mask. You can use this as a face mask. Just apply all over face, leave it for 5 minutes and just rinse it off. So here the uses has been given, if you wash using this face wash every day, then it helps to cleanse and purify the skin, and also helps to remove dirt and impurities. So guys, if you scrub using this Garnier Pure Active, the advantage is it unclog the pores and reduce stubborn blackheads or mark, as I said you before. And if you use this mask, I think 1 to 3 times a week, then it absorbs extra oil and also gives your face a shiny glow. So guys, here all the instruction have been given, and here how you can use it's been given. You can just read it off if you buy this product. So guys, coming to the advantages why we need to use this product. Firstly, it cleanses your skin, and if you're having any impurities or blackheads, it's just reduced within 1 week. And if you're having any spots also, it helps to reduce it. It deeply cleanses and removes the impurities and removes the excess of oil. It fights against the blackheads and helps to remove the marks, and it gives your skin a shiny glow look and remove excess of oil too. Guys, coming to the fragrance and texture of the product. Fragrance is mild. It is similar to the other charcoal face wash, similar to the charcoal smell. So guys, coming to the texture, I think it's already done. I've been using this from past 3+ months now, and you can see the texture. It is blackish in color with the micro beads over here. Guys, coming to the price, I got this product for 250 rands in South Africa. In takealot.com I bought this product. I think in India also this product is imported, and I think the price is 2500 rupees if I'm not wrong. And the product link will be on my description. You can go and check it out in Amazon or Nykaa. So guys, coming to my experience of using this product, it's been almost 3 months of using this product, and I think it's definitely worth to buy, because even though the price is costly, it's more than 2000 plus rupees in India. The results is 100% worth, because I was having lots of blackheads, especially in this area, and excess of oil and even the marks. When I used this product, literally I was surprised. It reduced lots of blackheads, and even the impurities was removed. Whenever I scrub or whenever I massage or wash, I felt so cool while washing, because I think it has a micro beads effect which makes your skin to feel coolness or cold. So when I tell you, you can't feel the experience, guys. Only when you buy and when you try this, you definitely gonna feel those experience. So guys, before going to a demo, I'm gonna just tell you that this product is not suitable for ultra dry skin or a dry skin and sensitive skin. So guys, I'm using this product as a face wash. So let me apply this to my skin. I'm gonna apply all over and gently massage. If I need excess, I'm gonna take and again I'm gonna gently massage it well. Then I'm gonna wash it. That's it. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.